Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a beautiful February day. No, it's not. Is it March? It's March. Oh. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my garden. So, it's been a while, but I am here today to show you what I got from Lowe's, and I'm going to be planting these today. I have two of these. This is a lithodora. Let's see what it says. It's trailing perennial. Grow 3 together. I only bought 2. It's for full sun. Water, it says keep moist first year, 2 times per week. Cold hardiness is -10 to -20 degree Fahrenheit. Non-hardy in most zones 1 through 4. Let's see. It also says the average mature size is 3 to 6 inches tall and 12 inches wide, spacing 12 inches apart, which will be perfect. So I'm glad I bought 2 and not 3. So that's really, really pretty. You guys see that? So it'll be like a nice, pretty blanket, ground cover. So we have those. Oh, let's see here. We got beautiful petunias. And these petunias are full sun, 6+ hours direct sun, mounding annual. I think I'm going to put these in the dog run just because they're not going to be toxic towards my animals. And actually, if my box turtles got towards this, it's edible for them. So it's safe and non-toxic for the animals that are in the side yard. So these will go into the side yard. Got 2 of those. This, how pretty is that? This is dianthus, full sun, water 2 times per week, more often when dry, cold hardiness, it tolerates frost, and it says average mature size is 8 to 24 inches tall and 8 to 24 inches wide. So I'm planning on putting this in that container right there. I hope you guys can see me pointing past the foxtail. So I'm going to plant that in there. It's going to be very, very pretty. Look at this. Okay. This is from Monrovia. It is the hot-blooded red lantana. They say it's annual, but that's not true for El Paso. We're zone 8B. And so this is a perennial for us, and these can become huge. Let's see what it says on here. This is supposedly 15 to 18 inches tall and 24 to 30 inches wide. I would say that's pretty accurate. Depending on sizing and your soil, I think it could get even bigger than that. I have a massive one. Let me see if I can find a picture so I can put it in there for you. But it is ginormous, and I planted 2 of them together. My plan is I bought 2, and I'm gonna put them in the front yard. I have a roundabout, and there's like a little island, and I have a crepe myrtle. It's looking pretty rough right now, but I'm hoping that it's still alive. I scratched the bottom of the trunk and it's still green. So keep your fingers crossed for me. I'm hoping that it grows. But if I have that crepe myrtle growing, I put these 2 on the side with some kind of trailing plant around the circle of the crepe myrtle. I think that would be absolutely beautiful. So that's what I'm planning on doing. See that? Look how pretty that is. And it doesn't even have flowers yet. This is a large periwinkle. It's a trailing, and it says keep moist first year, 0 to -10 degrees Fahrenheit, and it could get to 12 inches tall and 24 inches wide. Grow 4 together. I got 4. I have 4 of these. I'm planning on putting it underneath my rose bushes. I figured that would keep it moist and it'll become a ground cover, a protective barrier for my roses. So I'm hoping that that would help. I know that it says part sun, so this would actually be a good plant underneath my rose bushes. Let's see. These are my cuttings from last year. These are my petunias. They don't have any flowers on them yet, but as you can see, they're pretty thick. There's a little bit of damage from the cold, but you know what? It's great. I'm gonna put these as additional ground covers in the front yard. And I have multiple cuttings from that. And then of course, I have this beautiful foxtail. Let's see. The foxtail will be watered 2 times per week. It says 8 inches tall and 12 inches wide, spacing 12 inch apart. I only bought one, so I guess I don't really have to worry about it. I always see these like along the edges of some kind of garden border. So that's what I was planning on doing, just to add that instant texture change in my garden. And it just draws the eye to that location, and the specific area I'm gonna put is always done the best in my yard. So I wanna add that for more eye-appealing presence. So let's see here. It says is a bee hazard, which I'm totally okay with. And cold hardiness, tolerates frost, which is good for us. Look at that. It's so pretty. So if you stuck around this long, stay tuned, and I'm going to be planting these in a second. So I just pulled out my Mexican feather grass, and I have so many growing in my yard. I just pulled it from the ground, and I'm just going to replant this pot. All right, guys, that's it for today. I was not able to get to the front yard with the lantanas and the petunias just because, well, my daughter's bathroom just flooded. So now we have to get emergency plumbing. So I'm gonna just cut it today and I'll give you guys updates as soon as I can. But if you don't see a video from me, just check out my Facebook group, Color the Desert with Lani, and I'll keep you posted there. But until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.